Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Robilyn Pamitan, 41 years old, and I'm married, two brothers and one sister. I'm the eldest of my family. I have two children, one boy and one girl. I work in Saudi Arabia for 2 years and also work in the Philippines for 2 years. In Saudi, there were three kids to take care. Twin boy, they were 7 months old when I arrived, and the other boy 2 years old. In Philippines, I took care 3 weeks old boy and 2 years old boy. All the children are young, so I make milk, clean the bottle, change the diaper and clothes, caring, playing, and bathing. I want to work in Hong Kong, sir, ma'am, so I can earn money for my family. I hope you like me. I hardworking, patient, and willing to follow your instruction. Please hire me, ma'am, because I need this job. Thank you and have a good day.